What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you be changing out your rear windshield wipers on a Buick Encore, the GX. It's probably the same for multiple different years, from about the 2020 to the 2025. It also may be the same on other Buick models, SUVs. First thing you want to do is come right here to this back piece. You just want to squeeze on it like that, and it should pop off just like that. Then you want to just go ahead and set that aside. Then what you want to do is pick this up like this. You see, hold this piece right here. Then you just want to bend down on this. It may be kind of like that. And once you bend down on that, it'll pop out. And then you'll see this part comes out. You want to go ahead and replace it. Then once you get your new one, it's pretty simple. Look at the pattern. See that bar inside of there? There's a bar right back here. You just want to come, take it like that, inside like that, match it up, and then just snap it in like that, and pretty much you're good. Alright, and once you're done with that, all you gotta do now is just take your piece like that, slip it back on like that, where it kind of lines up, and snap it back in place like that, and you'll be good. Alright folks, once again, this is how you be changing out your rear windshield wipers on a Buick Encore GX from probably about the 2020 to the 2025. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks.